Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison. Okay, I want to give you a hidden gem that we found in the group. Actually, there's two people in the group that found this one. So credit to two members of the CYT Crypto Gems group that found this, and we got in yesterday for this. And I've aped in, it's an NFT project, and I've aped into the NFTs for the first time. Actually. I did it with kind of Pokemonsters and Polychain Monsters, whatever they're called now. I know they changed their name. But I've aped into the NFT side of this. And I think this could actually fly, and it's only $500,000 just now, market capitalization. So I'm going to tell you about it. It's something called CakePunks. And it's the latest NFT project on BSC chain. But I originally thought, okay, I'm going to put a couple of BNB into this. And if it rug pulls, fair enough. But then they came out with 1,000 NFTs for these CakePunks, and I thought, oh, I could get into these. And I did, kind of big time. And if they rug pull and it comes to nothing, then the NFTs still might sell. So, it's called CakePunks. I'm going to share it with you just now. This is the website for CakePunks. Concept are NFTs are hyped right now. This is why they're kind of doing it. And you don't know where they're going to be in 5, 10, 15 years, 100 years time. But what this project has done is they have created 1,000 of these CakePunks. Some are rare, some are epic, some are legendary, some are uncommon, and most are common ones. But they've created them, and there's a couple of hundred left. We'll go over to the site and I'll show you exactly how many are left. So what they've done is for the first 250, it was half a BNB to buy the NFTs. Then for the next 250, it was 1 BNB. For the next 250, it was 1.5. And I think we're still at 1.5 just now. And up to the 1,000 is going to be 2 BNB to buy these. And as I said, you're going to get some epic ones, some rare ones, some legendary ones, uncommon and common ones. So that's the kind of NFT side of it. So you can buy them. You don't have to have the CakePunk token, but to get more chances to buy kind of rare limited edition ones, you need the CakePunk token. So you'll only be able to buy these kind of limited edition ones with the CakePunk token. Plus, just for holding the CakePunk token, you will also get cake as well for this, just by holding, depending on how much there is that have been kind of traded for that day. So you get some cake back as well. The team are 9 individuals who are utilising their skills learned in various industries to bring something completely new to DeFi. So they've got artists, marketers, web designers, and a plethora of other specialists from multiple backgrounds. We don't know who the team are at this point, so they've not been doxed. And their mission is to bring something new, fun, and functional to the Binance Smart Chain. As we're all aware of kind of the insane amount of scams kind of out there and rug pulls and everything else. And I think most of us who have kind of de-chained into these ones have been rug pulled at some point. I certainly have. And I thought this might be a rug pull as well when I first seen it, but I thought it's only $200,000 market cap. I'm going to put a couple of BNB into it and get a couple of the NFTs. And then when it kept on going up, and it kind of kept on going over a couple of days, and I joined the group, and the group is actually quite a good Telegram group to join and just ask questions and just be part of the group. I thought this could actually go somewhere, and I've been speaking to a couple of people in the group, and they're thinking the same. So I thought I'm going to do a video on this and call it as a hidden gem. It was originally called by Smalls Group. I'll put a link underneath if he lets me kind of do that. And somebody in my group is in Smalls Group, and he kind of transferred it over to kind of CYT Crypto Gems and said, listen, I've bought some of this. You might want to get into it. I looked at it straight away, jumped into it, and thought this could actually be going somewhere. And now the more I look at it, the longer it goes on, I think it could actually go somewhere. So here's the tokenomics side of it. It's 15% total transaction tax. I don't generally tend to like these, but some you have to live with it. They've done this already. So rewards to holders is 7%. So the holders will get 7%. of everything that's traded, and they'll get that in Cake, as I said. 4% will go towards the liquidity pool, which is good. Marketing, 4% will go to marketing as well. Initial supply is 100 billion tokens. The developer wallet is 3%. Marketing promotion wallet is 2%. Liquidity is going to be 95%. There was a pre-sale. Liquidity pool 70%, developer 20%, and marketing 10%. So this is the roadmap. The initial phase will revolve around nailing the basics. This includes the likes of creating and signing up for a website, DApp, as well as designing 1,000 CakePunks, which have done. They started minting the CakePunks, which they've done already as well, and then they're going to start expanding from there. And this is phase 3. So it will include the release of another 1,000 CakePunk NFTs. So stage 3 is what they're going to do is they're going to open up their own marketplace, and that's really what they're looking to do, but not just for their own NFTs. They want to kind of bring on other NFTs as well, and not become an OpenSea for kind of BSC. I don't think there is a major BSC kind of market out there, but that's what they want to do in phase 3 as well. So it looks as if there's it's a utility token as well, it's a governance token. So I think this could be a good one. So we're going to click on gallery, and you can see there's 333 CakePunks left to mint at 1.5 BNB. So about $750, something like that. But once this number gets down to around 250, this number will go up to 2 BNB. So there's going to be a marketplace that's coming soon, and this is the gallery. You can see if we scroll down, there's 1,000 there. And there's going to be something like 100 rares. I don't know the exact numbers, but there's going to be about 100 rares. Probably epic ones is probably going to be 5 to 10. Legendary ones might be 10 to 20. I can't actually remember, but I know most of them are going to be on the common side and the uncommon side as well. So just now, the CakePunks are selling just now on a site called treasureland.market. So you can see the CakePunks are selling just now. We'll go price descending, and we've got rare ones there. This is not a rare one. For 120 BNB, somebody's put it up at 500 BNB just in case they do take off. And this is my thinking with regards to the NFTs. These actually might take off. These might take off. I'm not going to say that they'll do a CryptoPunks, but these actually might take off, and I can see them doing really, really well. And I've just got that feeling that this project could actually do better than what I initially thought. So when you get a feeling like that, you can invest a little bit, find out more, join the group, find out what they're up to. Then, if you still get that feeling, then you can go in, which is what I've done. I've went in and bought the NFTs and thinking this could be quite big. So we'll look at the numbers just now. So this is it on DEX tools, and we'll just refresh that just now. So it's 0.0000598, and you can see the diluted market cap is only 500,000. And this is why I think to get in just now, this could be really good. And also, once you're buying the tokens, you'll be able to buy some of the limited edition NFTs. You can't buy it if you've not got the tokens. So it's good to get some of the tokens just now as well. Total liquidity just now is only 218,000. Normally, to me, I would go, if there's only 218,000, don't get it. Daily volume is 163,000, which is not bad for a project this size. So, but the liquidity for the diluted market cap is not that bad as well. It's about 30%. It's more than 30%. So from a percentage point of view, it's actually quite good. But if you're looking at that and going 218,000 liquidity, I'm not getting into that. But then you have to look at diluted market cap. So I think it could be a good one. You might want to look at it. Do your own research on this one. I've just got one of those feelings I got when I looked at Shiba Inu, and I seen that was 7 million, and thought, when I told the group, I said, listen, I've got a good feeling about this. This could actually blow up. And it did blow up from 7 million to about 4 billion. Same with FibSwap as well. When I got into that, and somebody in the group again told me about it. Kukla told me about Fib and Clive and everybody else. And that blew up from kind of 0 to 200 million market cap. Has come back down, but that's going to go up to $1 billion market cap as well, FibSwap. And I think this one could go up as well. I think this could be one of those ones that just blows up over the next couple of weeks. But we'll wait and see. Do your own research. Let me know what you think down below. But I think this could go places. And we'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, until next video. Namaste. Take care. Bye now.